Nature always knows how to leave us in awe. From mysterious phenomena to raw explosive force, every moment is a masterpiece. Let's explore these extraordinary wonders right now.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What?
Imagine going fishing and having a shark delivered to your boat. Passengers were stunned as a mako shark thrashed on the deck. Wow. Now picture stepping outside your house only to find a 15-foot pipe circles. Would you pull out your phone to record or sprint to the nearest rooftop?
Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route.
Pick it up, Tippy.
This is the biggest snake I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh my god.
Oh my. Oh! Oh!
This avalanche is a chilling reminder on the mountains. One more run could change everything.
You got slough.
Comment 3 if this frozen waterfall left you speechless. In the night sky over Alberta, the aurora danced above, while fireflies glowed below like earth and sky having a luminous conversation. Imagine gliding over calm water and then realizing a shark is circling beneath you. Would you stay balanced or panic and fall in?
Oh my gosh.
A parking lot in Waco, Texas turned into a real-life Hitchcock movie. Thousands of blackbirds covered the car's lights and pavement, turning shopping into a chilling scene.
Oh my god.
Move to the left a little bit. Move to the left or over here to the right. Either way. Look at that tornado. My God.
More perfect here, yeah.
It's both magical and eerie. If you saw this, would you grab your camera or run for cover? Comment below and hit follow to keep exploring with us.
Y después así, cabrón, mate eso.
Breathtaking and terrifying, especially for anyone with pollen allergies. A fissure at Boca Nuova erupted, sending lava cutting across a snow-covered slope. That glowing beauty is also a fierce reminder of the power hidden beneath the earth. You can't sink in the Siwa Oasis in Egypt. The salt content is so high it keeps you afloat.
I don't know what that is. It's gross, and I want to get out of this area.
Walking to the beach. Me and my daughter and a friend.
When David Little recorded red-pink liquid bubbling from the sand, the internet shuddered. The cause, a decomposing whale beneath the beach, created this bizarre scene.
Oh, it's a volcano, Dad.
Sometimes nature is stranger than fiction. What would you do if you saw this in real life? Drone footage from Grindavik, Iceland shows lava crawling toward town, swallowing a house in flames. A stark reminder that nature is unstoppable. Oh gosh. Nature never stops putting on a show. This jaw-dropping moment in Michigan will leave you speechless. Hit like to see more weather wonders. From fiery sunsets to thunderclouds, the Texas sky never disappoints. In Calgary, nature delivered an epic combo. A vivid rainbow lit up the sky while lightning cracked right through it. Valencia, Spain, flash floods surged through towns like Utiel after heavy rain turning streets into rivers overnight. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe to join us in uncovering nature's secrets. From 5 meters to 60 meters in just 24 hours, a sinkhole in Puebla is a powerful warning that the earth beneath us can collapse at any time. On the back of a pickup truck in San Mateo. A spinning trash bin getting sucked into a storm drain, small but clear proof of the power of moving water. Funny or frightening, you decide.
I am going. I can't stay here. I don't know how, but.
When I was out in the
It'd be good foreground.
I thought I'm like, what is that cloud doing there? Big old. My husband.
What started as a peaceful day at Zuma Beach became surreal. The side of Point Doom collapsed right before Lloyd Kotson's camera.
Holy crap! Oh, Jesus.
Wow.
Okay, nobody was up there, right?
Let's hope not, but someone lost their lawn chairs.
Wow.
Wow.
Holy moly.
In Decatur, Arkansas, a cattle auction turned chaotic when a bull bolted from the ring, climbing straight into the upper seating area.
Whoa, don't knock that TV over. Oh, there goes the chair. Johnny ain't got no place.
Johnny's going the wrong way. Johnny's going the wrong way.
Whoa, bullshit.
On January 15th in Westbrook, Maine, residents were mesmerized by a massive spinning ice disk on the Presumpscot River. A moment that's both beautiful and terrifying, a clear signal that climate change is making our weather more extreme.
आज जितने कोई गिरे हैं ओले ये चेक करें आप जरा.
Oh no.
Just moments earlier, it was a resting spot. The next aid trailer in Idaho was swept away like a toy in nature's hands.
Oh my.
Want to witness magical moments like this in real life? Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure with us.
Wow. Look how close that is now. Hello? Wow. And say hello to Steffi.
Steffi, press side.
And there's a rainbow from the spray. Is this real life? Oh my god. What? And there's a rainbow from the spray? Is this real life?
After a controlled explosion, the Baltimore Bridge collapsed completely following a surprise collision with a cargo ship. Images of the bridge being swallowed by floodwaters appeared once again, proving nature's overwhelming strength.
This road, this bridge is literally sinking. Take a look at the is incredibly scary. Okay, we're backing up. We're backing up. Just right here, live on TV, we saw the road collapse.
In Argentina, a natural wonder unfolded as a massive slab of ice from the Perito Moreno Glacier collapsed an epic sight that left visitors in awe.